Garmin Venu 2 looks much like its predecessor, with a classic design that's smart enough for daytime wear, yet practical enough for workouts. It's not groundbreaking, with a silicone band, metal bezel and polymer case, but the new watch addresses one of our biggest complaints about the original Venu, which was its lack of different size options. The standard Venu 2 has a 44mm case and 33mm display, while the smaller Venu 2S, the version we're testing here, has a 40mm case and 27.9mm display. Both sizes accept Garmin's standard 18mm bands, so you can exchange the standard strap for something a little different. The 44mm version is available in two colorways, slate with a black case, and granite blue with a matching case. Both have a silver-colored stainless steel bezel. The 40mm Venu 2S comes in four colors: graphite with a slate bezel, light sand with a light gold bezel, mist gray with a silver bezel, and white with a rose gold bezel. If you're in the US, you can put together a custom design when you order your watch, picking and mixing straps and cases to create a combination that suits you. The Garmin Venu 2 is a well-spec'd smartwatch, and its high-resolution screen means you can view detailed information about the day's schedule, the weather, app notifications and more right on your wrist. Like the Venu Square, the Venu 2 also includes optional women's health tracking, which you can set as one of the shortcuts in your list of activities. Surprisingly, this is more comprehensive than the tool featured in the women-focused Garmin Lily, with a wider range of symptoms and moods to choose from to help you better understand your cycle. Like the original Garmin Venu, one of the Venu 2's most striking feature is its vivid AMOLED touchscreen.